If you've been looking for a stylish, flexible desk lamp, then this might be it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this. It's a clip-on desk lamp, LED, as all the modern desk lamps are, but this one should look pretty smart as well as be really flexible so that you can get the light right where you need it. So it comes in the small package here because it has a goose neck. Can I just say it has a goose neck? Is neck redundant on that? This does come in a few different colors. I believe white, black, and then this silver finish, which looks very premium. I like this. These goose necks have been around forever in lamps, gas can nozzles, those types of things. But this looks like it's machined out of a piece of aluminum. It actually looks really nice. It's not super heavy, but it's got a little bit of weight, so feels decently substantial. You can see here we have this chromed clip here, very shiny, and then we have foam pads. So this will clip onto your desk, maybe onto the headboard of your bed, wherever you need this. And then what we have here is actually a fairly long cord. I'd call this about 5 feet or so. And before I plug this lamp in, I actually want to show you what's also interesting is we've got this 2-prong adapter here, but the lamp is actually USB powered. So you can plug it into an outlet, but if you have power through a USB port, you can power it that way too. So pretty cool. And then this switch is really interesting here. So I've gone ahead and clipped the light to the table here, and I've got this switch. And I want to show you that we have 2 switches here, and actually they control brightness as well as color temp. So what's interesting about this is you would think the 1-0 is the on-off, but it's actually this switch here. So you can see when it's in the middle position, it's actually off. And when I go to 1, what we get is, looks like warm white light. Now, if I go to the off position and rotate it all the way to the other side, we get the white light. So there's the white light, and there's the warm white light, or the yellow light. Now, the other thing we can do here is if I go back to the warm white light, and it is on 0, I think that's the low setting. So if I click it to 1, that's the high setting. And the same goes for the white light side. So, because it's on 1, that's the bright setting, and I can put it on the lower setting here. So it's pretty smart because we can control the light temperature as well as the brightness, which is really cool. Now, the whole neck of this thing only looks like it's about 14 or 15 inches, which I think is great because it's not going to take up a lot of space, but you can move it wherever you need to. If you want to angle this down, maybe you're working on papers on your desk, maybe you're reading a book, and if you need to move it after you've attached it to your desk, your table, or your bed, whatever it might be, you can certainly do that. So it's really cool. I dig it. Looks good, looks premium, is very adjustable, has all the color, temperatures, and brightness settings that you need, and is very affordable. So if you are looking for a desk lamp, a reading lamp, a bedside table lamp, a nice useful light in the darkness might help you live a little better. So I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.